Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. You have probably heard this line, product-based interviews are tougher. But here's the truth, they're not tougher, they're just different. Over the years, I've seen many QA engineers, even experienced ones, prepare in the wrong direction. So, in this video, let's talk about the top 5 mistakes QA engineers make when preparing for product-based company interviews and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is preparing the same way you would for a service based company. In service companies, interviews are often about process, test cases, and delivery speed. But product based interviews are about depth, how well you understand systems, logic, and quality at scale. So if you're still memorizing definitions like what is regression testing, you are missing the point. Instead, focus on how you design, automate, and optimize your testing. The second mistake is skipping coding practice. Many testers think I'm not applying for a developer role, why should I solve DSA? But here's the catch, product based companies want engineering mindset testers, people who can debug, read logs, and understand complexity. So, yes, you need to be comfortable solving basic problems using arrays, strings, hash maps, and loops. You don't have to be a lead code master, but you must be confident with logic. Third mistake is relying only on UI automation. Here's the truth, 70% of the product based testing happens beyond the UI. Think API testing, microservices, databases, queues, integration points. If your automation journey ends at Selenium, it's time to level up. Learn API automation, basic SQL, and how to validate data across services. That's what makes you valuable. Fourth mistake is no framework design knowledge. In product based interviews, they won't just ask how to automate, but how to structure your framework, reusable methods, page object model, utilities, CI/CD integration. You should be able to explain how you would design your test automation if you were starting from scratch. That's what shows ownership, not just execution. And the fifth mistake is not thinking system wide. Product based companies want testers who can understand architecture, APIs, logs, cloud, performance bottlenecks, etc. You don't need to know Kubernetes inside out, but you should understand how services communicate, where failures can happen, and how to trace them. So, if you are preparing for a product based company, don't prepare harder, prepare smarter. Focus on depth over definitions, logic over memorization, and framework thinking over scripts. Because the goal isn't just to clear the interview, it's to grow into a quality engineer who can think like a developer and act like a tester. Save this video for your next prep phase and share it with anyone stuck in the wrong kind of preparation, because product based interviews aren't about testing your memory, they're about testing your mindset.